Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are diving into something extraordinary. The all-new Honda Motorhome 2026. Honda has long been known for its innovation, reliability, and forward-thinking engineering. But with this motorhome, they've taken things to a level few expected. This is not just another RV. It is a complete reimagining of what a motorhome can be when technology, comfort, and practicality all come together under one roof. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is designed for modern travelers who want the freedom of the open road while enjoying the luxury and convenience of a true mobile residence. Looking at the exterior, Honda has blended futuristic design with functionality. The front carries a bold stance with a wide aerodynamic grille and sharp LED headlamps that extend into sleek character lines, giving it a very modern and premium presence. The body panels have been sculpted to not only look stylish, but also reduce wind resistance, improving overall efficiency on long drives. Side mirrors are replaced with slim digital cameras for better visibility and reduced drag. The Motorhome sits on a strong chassis with large alloy wheels designed for stability and confidence across highways and rougher terrains. Integrated storage compartments along the sides have been neatly crafted, offering plenty of space without compromising the clean lines of the body. At the rear, you find a smartly designed tail section with vertical LED lights, making it look futuristic and distinct, even from a distance. The overall presence is commanding but elegant. A motorhome that feels at home on both city streets and open roads. Stepping inside the Honda Motorhome 2026 is like stepping into a modern smart apartment. The moment you enter through the electric sliding door, you're welcomed by an interior that blends Honda's reputation for ergonomic design with true luxury. The floor is finished in high-quality wood-style material, and the furniture is made with premium leather and soft-touch surfaces that feel both inviting and durable. The living space is open and airy, with large panoramic windows and skylights that flood the cabin with natural light during the day, while ambient LED lighting sets the mood at night. The lounge area features plush reclining seats and a smart retractable entertainment system, complete with a large 4K screen and immersive surround sound. The kitchen is designed for full functionality, equipped with an induction cooktop, a built-in convection oven, a full-size refrigerator, and ample storage with soft close cabinets. Honda has added smart technology throughout the interior, so everything from climate control to lighting and entertainment can be managed via a central touchscreen or even a smartphone app. The dining area is practical yet stylish, with a proper table and chairs instead of the compact setups we often see in smaller RVs. Moving towards the rear, the bedroom is one of the highlights of the Honda Motorhome 2026. It comes with a full, king-size bed, a luxury mattress, and built-in storage. The panoramic windows here also come with smart dimming technology, letting you adjust privacy and light levels at the touch of a button. The bathroom is equally impressive with a large walk-in shower, glass partition, vanity with stone-like countertops, and even heated flooring to make every journey feel as luxurious as staying in a 5-star suite. When it comes to performance, Honda has equipped this motorhome with a highly advanced hybrid powertrain. Unlike many traditional RVs that rely solely on diesel engines, the Honda Motorhome 2026 combines a strong turbocharged gasoline engine with electric motors for maximum efficiency and power. This hybrid system allows for excellent fuel economy compared to competitors while still delivering the torque and strength needed for long-distance highway cruising. Regenerative braking further enhances efficiency, while the large battery pack ensures that some of the interior systems can run even without external power hookups. The ride quality is enhanced by adaptive air suspension that automatically adjusts based on road conditions, making sure the drive is smooth regardless of terrain. Honda has also paid great attention to safety, equipping the 2026 Motorhome with advanced driver assistance systems. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this large vehicle far easier. Combined with Honda's lightweight but strong chassis engineering, this motorhome not only feels powerful but also secure for both driver and passengers. One of the most innovative features is Honda's integration of solar panels across the roof. These panels provide supplementary energy, reducing the need for generators and allowing travelers to enjoy a more sustainable lifestyle on the road. Whether you're camping off-grid or simply cruising across states, the motorhome is built to provide energy independence along with comfort. Now let's talk about the pricing. The Honda Motorhome 2026 is positioned as a premium,